Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make moyashi to wakame no omiso shiru. It's a simple miso soup with bean sprout and wakame seaweed. Very easy to make, but healthy and comforting. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this miso soup, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 200 grams of bean sprout, 4 tablespoons of miso paste, 5 grams of dried wakame seaweed, and 2 teaspoons of hondashi instant Japanese soup stock. 4 cups of water, hondashi instant Japanese soup stock, and bean sprout in the pot. Cover with the lid. Turn the heat on and just bring it to boil over medium-high heat. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat to medium-low and keep cooking for 2 minutes. Cooked for 2 minutes, so it's time to add the miso paste. I'm using this miso strainer. By using this kind of strainer, you can make sure you don't have any chunk of miso in your soup bowl. If you don't have miso strainer, you can use small tea strainer or spider or ladle with holes. Just be creative and use what you can use. Miso into the strainer, dunk it in the soup, and dissolve miso. All dissolved. Turn off the heat and add wakame seaweed. And just give it a few minutes so the wakame seaweed is completely rehydrated. Once the wakame seaweed is completely rehydrated, serve in the bowl. And moyashi to wakame no miso shiru is ready to go. Super easy. Time for the tasting. You can sip the soup straight from the bowl. Let's have some ingredients. The soup is so flavorful, and the bean sprout still has the texture, and it's so good. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Moyashi to wakame no miso shiru goes here and plain rice here. The soup is very healthy, so let's have something meaty for the main. How about gyoza tsukune? Anything you like for the side dishes, but I think I want to have kabocha no nimono for one of them, and some sort of pickles to refresh my palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!